Welcome back. Oh, today I thought I was going to grind down the concrete in the stairs, under the stairs, and I had everything pre-positioned. I have everything all ready to go, grinder, everything, get my entire setup for sending it out the window, getting so it doesn't make this a complete and utter dust bowl in here. I do not want to go in through another 2 days of cleaning everything out. So I thought I would put the doors back on, and then I absolutely forgot this door doesn't fit and never has. So, yeah. It never shut. It was always open, even from the time we bought it. So, it is both sides. I hit it with the laser, with the Bosch laser level, and both sides are bowed and way off. The bottom of this one is almost a 1/4 inch to a little over this way. So the door strikes at the bottom. So I got my Sawzall, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna take the door off. I absolutely do not want to get some light in here. There we go. I do not want to start this at all until I have these doors fixed. So I am going to invite you to follow me on this journey. One thing I would say, if you've been watching my videos, you can see from the past how at our previous flip, I spent 3 years getting that place pretty much perfect. It took me a while. However, this house, we've been doing it for 2 years and spent a whole bunch more money than we did at the other house. So if you're thinking this is easy, if you're thinking of getting into buying a house and thinking you're going to fix it up yourself and then sell it, that's awesome. And I'm wholeheartedly behind anybody that wants to do that. But I will warn you, if you haven't done this before, or you're unfamiliar with building walls and electrical and plumbing and putting carpet in, this type of flipping probably isn't for you. Buy a house that doesn't need much work and maybe paint it. A house like this, where you're getting it for half price because it's so bad, this may not be it. So that's my warning to everybody. I don't think I've ever spoken about that, but you can look at my previous almost 100 videos of how bad a house can be, and this house is horrendous. So yeah, I'm just telling you, this is just, I don't want anybody to think that this is easy. This is horrible. I have no life, and I literally work 40 hours a week, and then I come home and do another 40 hours a week on this flip. So with that said, thank you for following me, and I am going to now speed up the video and work on this door. So thanks for coming along, and I hope to see you at the end. So what I got going on here is that this side is bowed, which caused this entire side to be out of whack. And so it's making, how do I even describe it? The door is sitting kind of this way, pushed out on this side. And yes, I didn't square this up. I just wanted to see what it looked like. And this entire 2x4 that this is sitting against is bowed, but this is good right here, which I'm super happy with. And I can work that now, but I'm just trying to debate whether I want to take this other side off or just try to do the best I can. So. Feather thin. See, when you make your own, you get them super thin. So every one of them has a feather edge. Anyway, if anybody's interested, I can always do a video and show you how to make these. It takes longer to set the template up than to actually cut out a whole stack of them. Thanks for joining us. You know, singing baby and all. So, until next time, the door works.